All right, welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you're here. I'm going to do a quick update. I'm getting ready to take my family to a fair, and I'm going to give you a quick update about what I think the market's now doing. If I had to guess, our five waves are complete. Uh, Very quickly, our one to three wave here, projecting the fifth wave. We've got a one-to-one correspondence. That's often the telltale of a what do you call it, an extended fifth wave. And so when you have an extended fifth, it's usually a one-to-one correspondence between the one to three. That's often the case. It can be 1276 as well, but it's looking like it's finished. This looks like five waves complete: one, two, three, four, and the fifth wave up. I think this down wave is going to be the beginning of an A wave. Let me show you that on the 5 minute chart. See if you can see it here. So we can zoom in here. There we go. What do we got going on there? Okay. Trying to get it so you can see the waves delineated there. Okay, so I said today earlier in the trading minute that we had five waves to the downside. Um, and it was just so clear five waves: one, two, three, four, five. We had three waves to the upside, which I called earlier today, and then now we've got a C wave to the downside, but I'm not convinced it's a C wave. Now it has measured to the 1276, but I'm not convinced that it is. So if I put the go from here to from the A wave to the B wave, you can see that we've gone through the 1276 and come back. I don't think this is a bounce the way this is looking. This is looking more like a one, two, and then followed by a three, four, and we're going to have five coming down, and that's going to be the third wave. So this is actually a one, two, three, four, and then five will come down. Where do I think that's going to come down? Probably down here to the structure line right here. Most likely we'll hit some structure there, and our five waves will be complete somewhere in this vicinity. I don't know. Here, let me see if I can project it for you. Um, if the three comes down to here, four to there, it's putting the fifth wave somewhere in the ballpark of, yeah, I don't know. This is a guess, guys. $97 maybe. That's the A wave. Then we'll have a B wave to the upside. I don't know what that'll look like or how long that'll take, but that will have a B wave to the upside. And then I mean, it could be very quick and fast, or it might be slow and methodical. Then we should have a C wave down. Now, um, let me see if I can do a better job projecting this wave here for you. I should have. Three should be here, coming in this ballpark here. That's three. The four wave will be this 30% of this three wave here. So four will be here. So this is the way it's going to look. One, two, three, four will come here. Five will be down there somewhere. Let me see if I can figure out where that's going to be quickly for you. I have a video on how to do this. All right. 96.67 is my projection. 96.67. That's the projection for the bottom of the A wave. So looking somewhere around 96.50, and there's some structure over here that supports that. 95 maybe, between 95 and 97 in that ballpark. So I'm just going to put a target box down here to finish this A wave. So this A should come down here. B should retrace anywhere from 50% of that move. So I would say at least 50% of that move. So back up to 101 to 102. So that'll be a target box up here. I don't know that I would trade that, but you certainly can. It wouldn't hurt to trade it if you want to trade it. That's a nice little trade. It's a small one, but nevertheless. And so then how do we project a C? That's if I'm right, guys. I mean, we're assuming that I'm correct. I think I'm right, but who knows? Let's see. Let me see if I can project the C wave for you. C will come down here to $92, between 89, about $90 to $92 in that ballpark. So here's our final projection for C. Okay, there it is. That's what I'm expecting. If this is a longer wave, then that's going to be a three wave to the downside, and that means we're heading down further. That means we have lower lows to make before we go up. And this was not a reversal. So if we break about 80, I would say if in this correction we break about $85. Well, to be honest with you, if we break the low, I think that's the telltale sign for sure. If we break this low, but I would just have to wait and see. Let's let this play out and see. I don't want to get too far ahead of myself. Okay, now what? How do I? How do I? What if this is incorrect? What would tell us that? Well, let's go back in and I'll show you where that would be invalidated. If we end up from this place right here making a high above this low right here, so let's put a yellow line of death right here. Yellow. Let's make it nice and I'm not sure why it's doing that. There we go. Here's our yellow line of death. If we pass this right there, if we break that high, then what I have is negated. What I've drawn for you is negated, and we have upside to go. So we'll have to watch and see. If as long as this right here we break the low from here and we come down to this red line, that's going to be our three wave of this move. So we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, something like that. That's what we're looking for, y'all. So there's our A. So let's wait and see what we get. We don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves, but that's what I'm looking at for Litecoin today. Okay, Bitcoin looks like it's topped as well. Let's see here. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Clear 5 waves here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear 5 waves should be making ABC to the bottom here. Okay, that's what we're looking at. Without trying to make those waves for you, a quick retracement, 50% to 60% right here. We should have a retrace down to about 10,100, 9,800 in that ballpark. Okay, all right, that's what we're looking for. You guys have a fantastic weekend. We'll bring you an update tomorrow. Talk to you later.